good, you know.
I love fresh coconut. Hi, love.
Hold on, baby, just a minute. Huh? Hold on.
Take me a picture,
I'm
please.
trying. It's blurry. Hold on, just stay there. Just a minute. All right, try it now.
Okay.
That's good.
Picture na ako, guys.
Huh?
I'm busy right now, guys. Tukod
That's how
ko
you-
da lubi. Be careful, Beverly. Yes. Sakit ng puwet ko. Oh my God. Last time nagkukod-kod ako, elementary pa ako doon, ako sa Ormoc City. Isang taon namin. Sabi ng parents ko, magkudkod ka ng lubi kasi magbubudbud ako. Okay, I'm coming, mama. Sarap to. Sarap ito pag may palitaw at saka kamuti na luto na papatter ko. Naku, Lord. Good pa more. Ang asawa ko ba, tuwang-tuwa siya. Kasi first time yung nakita ng ganito dito sa Amerika. Guys, asawa siya ng Pilipina. Ito naman ang kagisna natin sa probinsya. Okay. Ito mahulog. Oh my God.
You okay? Wow, you get a lot of coconut just out of one shell, huh?
Yeah. It's only $5.
That's only a half a shell.
It's only $5 to coconut. It's
Yeah.
for the $5.
So look at how much you get out of just a half a shell. Oh my God, you get like almost a bag of like what you buy in the grocery store when you grate it like that.
Yes. Kaya bumili ako sa online ng kudkuran. Kasi gusto ko yung yung presko na lubi. Kasi mahilig ako sa mga kakanin, mga biko, budbud, saka palitaw, sapin-sapin, at iba pa. Kaya, gusto ko balikan yung kabataan ko.
Wow, look at that. Cool. You could take a spoon and eat some more out of that.
No?
Huh? Oh my God, look at that!
Guys, tuwak-tuwak siya, guys. Tuwak-tuwak ang Amerikano,
Look at all
guys.
that coconut! She's she is getting an unbelievable amount of coconut out
Oh
of
my
it.
God, love.
Just those two shells.
When I grew up, love, in Ormoc City,
You do that a lot,
oh
huh?
yeah, because my mother
I can tell
and
you're
father
professional.
is always asking me, hey, Beverly, where are you?
You need coconut. Hopefully, and then my little hand.
I enjoy.
Yeah, that's cool. You could
Video,
probably,
you take video.
you could probably sell that fresh coconut like that. Oh my God, you know. I would love to have it. They don't know how to do that here. I take video. Gotta figure out how. Making fresh coconut, Filipino way. Right, Mama? Huh?
Yes,
Yeah.
you're
okay.
right.
Starts
You're
like
right,
that,
love.
ends up like this. Oh my God.
Banta lang ko ani, tinitiis ko lang kasi masakit na yung paa ko. Whew. Ay nako, Lord. Enjoy lang. Uy, uy, uy. May bungot, guys. May bungot. Dapat tayo baka na. Tamaan tayo. Okay. Hold on, guys. Break muna, guys. Break muna, guys. Tingnan mo, guys. Break muna. Guys,
American way.
ikaw ang magkudkud.
Give me that coconut.
Alo, lo, 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 lo. Alo, lo, 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 lo. Ala, guys. Siya daw, guys, oh. Oh my God. Uy!
Hey, what's going on here?
Ay, ay, ay.
There's a trick to this.
Oh my God. Oh, LOL.
Give me a bowl. Give me a bowl.
Baby, be careful, baby.
What?
Be careful. Uy, no, 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 don't do that. It's not that. No,
I
it's
do.
wrong. No, 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 no.
What?
Get out.
You know.
You don't know that.
Grape, don't you?
No, no, it's not.
You do like this?
Sus, love.
You don't do like this?
Ay, love ko, Lord. Dalawa na lang, guys. Tapos,